Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Nixel Presentation. Today we will learn to make a simple animated PowerPoint HR slide. So let's start. Let us set the background first, insert a rectangle and adjust the size. Add an image to it. OK. Now set the guides. Insert one more rectangle. Make the outline thick. Change the color. You may add a background image. Make it light. OK. Now insert an oval shape. And adjust the size. Select the shape and press Ctrl D to make some duplicates. Select all the oval shapes and set the alignment. Format the oval shapes. OK. Now let's add some icons. Select both oval shape and icon and press Ctrl G to group it. Do it for all the 5 oval shapes. Done. Now let's add some simple animation effect also. Perfect. Now, let's add a graphic image. You can download it from any free websites. Let's add an animation effect to it. Please have a look at the timings and place. OK. Done. Now let's add some text also. Let's add a stand for the presentation board to make it more attractive. Done. All set. Let's have a look the presentation. If you have liked it, please give the video a thumbs up and consider to subscribing. Thank you for watching.